Hello everyone, my name is Lauren Maxwell and this is my introduction for MED 7809 Instructional. Currently, I teach third grade in Wilmington, Delaware at Lombardi Elementary School. Last year was my first year. I had taught at a different elementary school previous to that. My teaching experience, I taught first grade, second grade, and third grade. For first grade, I taught 4 years. Second grade, I taught 3 years. And then third grade, I've taught 8 years over the past 15 years. My instructional designer characteristics, 2 that really stuck out to me were learner-centered and also open-minded. I try to think about my students prior to designing my instruction, whether or not the lesson needs to be adapted or changed, modified in any way to make it a better experience for my third graders. And also open-minded because sometimes things aren't working. You have to know when to quit and maybe try again, or also listening to other people's opinions or students' opinions about trying different things. And I try to be very open-minded when it comes to listening to their thoughts and concerns and also my fellow peers. I'm looking forward to working with everybody during this block. Thank you and have a nice day.